Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a crypto wallet. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency as a minor presents unique challenges due to age restrictions on most platforms. It is essential to understand the legal landscape and the critical role parental guidance plays. We will explore compliant methods, ensuring a safe and educational entry into digital assets. This guide will help you understand the necessary steps and considerations for getting started responsibly. Most major cryptocurrency platforms strictly enforce an age requirement of 18 years or older for account holders. However, this does not mean minors are entirely excluded. A common solution involves parents opening a custodial account. This type of account allows the parent to maintain legal ownership and oversight, while the minor can learn and participate under their supervision. It is a secure way to introduce financial literacy. When selecting a platform, prioritize those that explicitly offer family or custodial account features. These platforms are designed with parental oversight in mind, often including robust controls and educational materials. Always investigate their security protocols, such as two-factor authentication and encryption, to ensure your assets are well protected. Choosing a reputable platform is a foundational step for a secure and positive experience. Regardless of the wallet type, security is paramount. Always create strong, unique passwords for every account and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. For non-custodial wallets, remember that you are solely responsible for your private keys and seed phrases. Never share them. Educate yourself on common scams and phishing attempts. Responsible practices, combined with parental guidance, will ensure a safer journey into cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.